Hello guys and welcome back to Supersonic Flyer, a single platform for all details and information about AME. And also welcome to this brand new playlist on incident and accidents. In this video, we'll be talking about the effects of Cyclone Amphan on the Kolkata airport. Cyclone Amphan is the fiercest to form over the Bay of Bengal since record began. It is the first super cyclone since 1999, and the last was when Odisha was hit over by the cyclone that left nearly 10,000 dead. Amphan slammed Bengal around 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday, uprooting trees, damaging power lines, destroying many buildings in Kolkata and other parts of the state. The worst it could do was to hit the airport, and it did so. 6 hours of continuous Cyclone Amphan's wrecking winds left Kolkata airport flooded and many structures within were damaged. At least 12 people are said to be died in Bengal as the winds of 120 km per hour and heavy rain left a trail of devastations. Visuals from the Kolkata airport clearly show a flooded tarmac, a runway and hangar. In one area, the roof also seemed to have caved in. An aircraft was seen in a knee-deep water. 2 hangars have been damaged beyond repair, but they were unused according to the officials. All the airport operations have been shut till 5 p.m. today. Only the cargo and evacuation flights are operating for now, with the passenger flights being suspended till 25th March. Chief Minister of Bengal, Banerjee, said that the impact of Amphan was worse than coronavirus pandemic. From this statement, you can clearly note that the impact was Amphan was so high. She claimed that the cyclone could have caused the damage worth rupees 1 lakh crore. Area after area has been devastated and communication systems are disrupted, added Ms. Banerjee. Also adding that although 5 lakh people are being evacuated, the state authorities had not entirely anticipated the ferocity of the storm. So this is all for today, guys. We will keep bringing you this type of details on incidents and accidents in our clinic. If you like this video, do subscribe Supersonic Flyer. Also, you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is in description box. You can follow us on Instagram at iSupersonic, and stay home, stay safe.